Tim down here at the barn. I got went to the feed store, just got back. It's another misty, rainy, dreary day down here on the farm, and I thought it was supposed to be cleared up. I went to the feed store. I don't like to get feed when it's raining, so anyway, I made it back, no problems. I'm gonna load this feed into the barrel, and of course, it's one of my least favorite jobs to do. But we'll get this unloaded, and also they went up 50 cents on my bag more, so we'll have to do some thinking here. I'm almost to the point at the old price. I was about the same point as getting non-GMO feed in bulk. That's the problem. I have to get it in bulk, and it's about an hour and a half one way, so it'll be a 3-hour trip. Kind of a semi-local feed mill, and so this went up 50 cents a bag, which, I mean, if you buy one bag, it's not a big deal, but I buy several bags a month, and especially I've started feeding my ones that are not laying a cheaper feed. This is a 22%, and it's about, now it's $3.50 cheaper than this, so a bag. So I will have to do some serious figuring, maybe go to a bulk non-GMO feed. Probably keep my prices about the same, so might be a good selling point, you know. I really like this feed. It's a good high quality feed. It's from my local co-op. I think it's actually made in Tennessee, so it's not real local. Got a little bit of mist on them too, it makes them harder to handle. I only got 4 bags. I usually get, I don't know, probably, this will hold 300 pounds. I got a 55-gallon drum, and I hold 300 pounds, so this is 200 pounds. And it's almost completely empty. Part of farming, I guess. I guess it, you know, or a message. I could have got one more bag, but we'll see how far this goes. Then kind of changing my feeding around. A little chick. Everybody thinks it's time to feed, and so I'm still 4 hours from feeding. I try to feed every day about between 3 and 4, so I don't know, just kind of keep it consistent. And but you know they gotta have a clock or something in there. All right, so got that done. I gotta go. I'm gonna show you the Christmas decorations down the sign. Let's do that first. But while I'm here, I'm gonna grab up some old straw, and we're gonna we lined the nest, or at least in a couple of them. The one takes shavings, but they ain't laying, so I ain't worried about that so much. The one, we'll talk about that when we get down there. All right, I'll pick up some more hay and we'll go check out the sign, and then we'll see if we can get some nest boxes filled back up. I came down here and actually helped them a little bit. I also come down here and kind of did the sign, and I brought her down here and kind of helped tie it up. I think it looks pretty good actually. See if I can get it there. Let me turn the camera around. This is gonna be pretty easy. Really? Oh, I got 2 eggs in here. 1, 2. I got the, I won't put them in. Let me put them in the side real quick. Really don't have to do this very often in this one because of the design I used on the nest boxes. They're so much cleaner. I put I have a video on when I redid this nest box, and I'm telling you what, I'm gonna go, if I ever get a chance, I don't know if I go in and tear them all out, whether I got chickens in there, if I don't have to, but you know, I'm gonna do some moving around here. That's the ticket right there. It's got the big front, and it's got a roof over it, and that keeps them from roosting in there, and it keeps them from knocking that grass out, or the hay out, the old hay out there. This is just an old hay I got up off the floor. All right, let's do the other one. I'll have to clean it out first, because everything I just said about this one, that one's the opposite. So everything I good I said about the other nest box, this one is just the total opposite. And got one good egg there. But then, see how dirty that egg is? For whatever reason, and I don't know why they started roosting up in here. And I don't like that for the obvious reason. You can see, I usually have a little metal scoop. I have to clean this out. This plastic scoop, I clean it out before I use it. But got a little metal scoop I usually use. This is really bad for whatever reason, and I don't know why. But like I said, if I had the top on it, they wouldn't be roosting in there. And this one's not real bad to knock it out. I just got like the lip on this one's probably 2 inches, and like I said, you're better off with a minimum 6-inch lip. All right. Little maintenance there. So that's good. I'll scoop it up and throw it on my compost right behind us. I meant to say the other day when I did that sign, I cleaned up them mums and stuff, I put that on my compost. So anyway. All right. I think let me see what time it is. I think I'm going to, I gotta get some firewood. I didn't do that much yesterday, I got a little bit. It's noon. Let's go get some firewood, get it up to the house, and then we'll eat some lunch. Got the firewood up here at the house. I'm gonna unload it on my little rack up here. I got a little rack. I had that thing forever. You buy those little brackets and take some 2x4s and make it, you know, and screw them together. That's what I use up here. It's probably about 4 by 4 foot high. And this won't fill that up, but it'll keep me for a few days. I normally get the tractor, and that way I don't have to climb up and down. But anyway, I'm not going to show you that. I got some pretty nice firewood, so. Some of it I cut too short, some of it's too long. Anyway, all right, appreciate everybody watching. It's a dreary day. Stay dry, stay warm. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here in the farm next video.